You're on fire, understanding a popular English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, you're on fire. This expression can be a bit confusing, especially since it's not meant to be taken literally. So, let's dive in and discover what it really means. You're on fire is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to commend someone who is performing exceptionally well or is demonstrating great skill in a particular area. For example, if someone is answering questions quickly and correctly, you might say, "Wow, you're on fire today." This phrase is all about recognizing success and high performance. This phrase likely originated from the idea of something being ablaze with activity or energy. In sports, a player who is scoring points continuously might be described as being on fire, indicating their unstoppable performance. It's a popular phrase in casual conversations, especially in contexts like sports, work, or learning environments. There are several expressions similar to "you're on fire." Phrases like "on a roll," "hitting it out of the park," or "in the zone" all convey a similar meaning. They express that someone is doing exceptionally well or is very successful at the moment. It's important to remember that "you're on fire" is not meant literally. It doesn't mean that someone is actually burning. This is a good example of how English often uses colorful, metaphorical language to express ideas in a lively and interesting way. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, "you're on fire," confidently in your conversations. It's a fun, positive way to recognize someone's achievements or great performance. Keep practicing your English, and maybe soon, someone will say, "You're on fire," in appreciation of your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.